Welcome to this tutorial on Kotlin collection operations. Today, you'll learn about three essential functional operations: filter, map, and reduce. These operations are fundamental tools for working with collections in Kotlin, allowing you to manipulate and transform data efficiently. Let's start by understanding what each operation does. The filter operation helps you select elements that match a specific condition. The map operation transforms each element into a new value, and the reduce operation combines all elements into a single result. Together, these three operations form the foundation of functional programming with collections. The filter operation selects elements based on a condition. Here's an example. You have a list of numbers from 1 to 6. By calling filter on this list with a lambda that checks if a number is divisible by 2 with no remainder, you get only the even numbers. The result is a new list containing 2, 4, and 6. Notice that filter returns a collection, not individual elements. When should you use filter? Use it whenever you need to remove unwanted items from a collection. It's perfect for finding all elements that meet certain criteria, like finding all users above a certain age or products within a price range. Remember, filter always returns a new collection containing only the matching elements, leaving your original collection unchanged. The map operation transforms each element in a collection. In this example, you have a list of names in lowercase: Alice, Bob, and Charlie. By calling map with a lambda that converts each name to uppercase, you get a new list where all names are capitalized. The result is Alice, Bob, and Charlie. Map applies the same transformation to every element. Map is incredibly useful for data transformation. Use it to convert data types, like turning strings into integers. It's also perfect for extracting specific properties from objects, such as getting all email addresses from a list of users. Like filter, map returns a new collection with the same number of elements, but each element has been transformed. The reduce operation combines all elements into a single value. Here's how it works. You have a list of numbers from 1 to 5. The reduce function takes a lambda with two parameters, an accumulator and the current number. It adds each number to the accumulator, starting with the first element. The result is 15, which is the sum of all numbers. Reduce processes elements sequentially, building up a final result. Reduce is your go-to operation for aggregations. Use it to calculate totals, products, averages, or any other accumulated value. It's also useful for combining strings or building complex objects from simpler ones. Unlike filter and map, reduce returns a single value rather than a collection. This makes it perfect for summarizing data or computing statistics from your collections.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.